I'm David Ahola. I'm the CEO and founder of Epicator. Epicator makes it easy for companies that require a staff meal for their employees by curating awesome menus from the best local vendors that a city has to offer. What separates us from other catering businesses is essentially we make none of the food in-house. What we do instead is we find awesome chefs, food trucks, catering companies, and outsource all the work to them. We have team members in here that will create proprietary menus from these food vendors that fit our client's meal profile like a glove. The reason why we have a .ca name in the first place is we started in Canada. The talent and resources that we utilize to become successful are all Canadian. Canada has really helped us get to where we want to be. It is a cultural, social, and talent melting pot, if you may, and that means the world to us. So we're currently at Dark Horse Espresso Bar. To us, it has a special place in our hearts just because when we first started the business, we didn't have an office to work out of, and working out of your apartment is only interesting for so long, so this would be one of the places we'd frequent. Some of the bigger struggles and challenges I'd say when starting Epicator was that I was under the impression that I would always be working within my strengths, and it turns out that I actually spend very little time in my strengths. So I found that to be a little bit of a struggle because I was always doing things I wasn't good at. But as time progressed, my comfort zone grew and grew and grew, and a lot of those large challenges that occurred before aren't challenges anymore. If I could give one piece of advice to an entrepreneur starting their company, and I know this sounds counterintuitive, but don't focus so much on the money aspect of things. The fact about startups is that if you start 10 companies, 9 are bound to fail. They all make you a better person if you focus on the learning experience as opposed to focusing on just what the outcome is.